They were very, very good. Very, very timely. They were here when they said they were going to be here. Actually, they were here earlier than they said they were going to be. They came in. They got the job done with the bedroom windows. That was pretty much a change out. But the thing is that they did a nice job. They are a lot quieter, because I had weather shields in here, slide-bys in this one, and well, all of them were weather shield, but I had those, and then they were getting, you know, the moisture locked between the panes. So then I decided, well, I might as well just replace them all. So that's what I did. And I always check for heat, heat loss, because that's a big thing. And I don't have any of that with this.